the price per unit of an article decreases by 4% and the consumption decreases by 8%. The expenditure would decrease by. Okay, so the price per unit of an article decreases by 4%. You can solve this question using two methods. Method number one, method number two. This is simple formula method, right? This is recommended, but we'll understand this question with the help of this method. Okay, so price per unit of an article decreases by 4%. Consumption also decreases by 8%. What will be expenditure? Now, how we calculate expenditure when we have price and consumption? We have price per unit and we have consumption in number of units, right? Say for example, the price of an article is rupees 10 and consumption is 20 units. 10 per units, 20 units. So the expenditure will be 200. This is how it is. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now, let us assume the values here. Let's say price per unit is 10x and consumption is 10y number of units. So your expenditure on this product or article is 100xy, right? Now what is given? Price of an unit decreases by 4%. So if this price decreases by 4%, 4% of 10x is 0.4x, or the new price will become 9.6x into. So consumption decreases by 8%. So what is 8% of this value? It is 0.8y. So 10y minus 0.8y will give us 9.2y number of units. Right, so this price into these many units, what will be new expenditure? Okay, so calculate 96 into 90y. In multiplication tricks and techniques, we saw the very good method to calculate this multiplication. How? 100 is how far from 92? 92, sorry, I'm sorry. 92 is how far from 100? Minus 8. 96 is minus 4. So the next step, this into this, minus 8 into minus 4 gives us last two digits, and you can either think of 92 minus 4 or 96 minus 8, same, 8832. After two digits we have to put decimal point, so this is xy. Okay, so 100x was the original expenditure, 88.32xy is the new expenditure because of this decrease in price and consumption respectively. So what is net percent change in the expenditure? What is percentage change? Is 11.68%, right? I hope for 100, if this, so it is 11.68%. I hope this is pretty. I hope you understood why we put 10x and 10y to get expenditure in terms of 100. So things will become very much simple. You can put any value here. You can simply take x and y also, right? No issues. You are still going to get this percentage only. I hope this method is clear. Okay. So method number 2 is very simple. You can use this with formula. Try to understand. See, when we have two variables and their product is given to us, and if your question is this variable changed by a% and this by b%, what is net percent change in this product? Net percent change in this product. You can use the formula of successive percentage change. We saw this in percentages topic, right? This formula will give us net percent change in the product, right? So here in our question, we have price into consumption is equal to expenditure. So this value changed by some percent, this value changed by some percent. What is change in this product? That is expenditure, right? You can simply use this formula. In our question, A is minus 4 because it is decrease, and B is also minus 8 because it is decrease again. So minus 4 minus 8 plus minus 4 into minus 8 upon 100, right? So minus 4 into minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12, and this is minus 4 into minus 8 is positive 32 by 100 is positive 3.32, and so This is 11.68%, right? Simply use this formula. That's it. These are the only two lines you have to write in the rough in the exam actually, right? This is not needed to write on rough page in the exam, but for now, while taking notes, write this down completely. I hope this is pretty much clear, guys. This is your answer.